Hi there! We have a new feature on 10 to 8 where you can add tags to your customer records. This is useful if you have a long customer list and it will let you quickly search by tag. To create and add a tag, head over to the customer record. Click on the customer name, click Tag, and you can choose from tags that were created previously, or you can create a new one. And you can do the search by tag as well. Contact us at help@10to8.com if you have any questions. Bye now!